Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I am in a different setting right now. I posted on Instagram, on my Insta stories of what videos you guys would like me to do. And one of them was to videotape how I clean my brushes. So I thought I would do that real quick. It doesn't take very long, depending on how many brushes that you have. But it's pretty cheap. You could just go to the store. It's just one item that you have to buy to clean your brushes. And it's pretty easy and nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and start that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So if you'd like to see how I clean my brushes, then go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so I just wanted to show you real quick. I use a bar of soap for washing my brushes, and I just use Lever 2000. It's not expensive. It's really cheap bar of soap, and that's just what I use. But you can go to Ulta, and they do have like foam wash soap to use with your brushes, and you can go and pay for that. But I just feel like the bar of soap is just so much more inexpensive than buying soap from Ulta or Sigma or whatever. So here we go. Okay, so I usually I just put a towel down so I have somewhere to lay my brushes at so they can dry overnight. So you just take your bar of soap and you just start with whatever brush, and I just put it on, I don't put it cold or too hot, and I run the soap through the water to get it lathered. And then I'll take one of my brushes and I will dip it in the water and get it wet. And then can you see all the foundation coming off of the brush? I will just spin that around and take the foundation off the soap, and then I'll run it through the water and kind of squeeze the brush hairs together to kind of squeeze that soap out. As you can see, the brush hairs still looks dirty, so I know that I just need to go back and rub it some more. Sometimes I will rub it in the water while it's flowing, so I don't have to do the squeezing step, but sometimes I like to see how much is coming out of the brush. So I'll just run that again. Sometimes it's hard to get the edges of it, so I have to rub the edges around. And sometimes I will press harder to get that foundation out of the brush. I have not tried other types of soaps to see which soap cleans it better. I have Lever at home, so I've just been using that. So I'm just going to squeeze it, and then I'm going to shape it to what it's going to be when I use it. Yeah, it's a little bit tighter than what it usually looks like, but I just want to shape it so it doesn't look all crazy. So I'm just going to keep doing those same exact steps to all of my brushes. And I probably do this every 3 months. That's maybe too long. Sorry if that grosses you out. It just takes, with how many brushes I have, it just takes a long time for me to do it. And I usually know when I should stop cleaning my brushes, because that color, the color will not be on the brush hairs anymore. It's so satisfying to see all that color come off for some reason. And I've done this to my brushes several times, and they're still really good. One of the ways I figure out, or one of the ways I notice when it's time to clean my brushes, first it's how they look. They just will look gross. And then I notice like how they don't, I just feel like they don't put the product on as well when they're super dirty after a long time. I do want to get one of those, I don't know if you've seen those Sigma like pink pads that go in the sink, and then rub the brush in the soap like I'm doing now, and put some soap on the brush hairs, and then what you do is you just rub it in that pink pad. I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about. But it just seems like it's really nice because it has all of those like edges. It'll really clean your brush hairs. Just to let you guys know, I do use a brand new bar of soap. I'm not using the bar of soap that is in my shower that I use to wash my body. So just a little side note, I use a clean bar of soap, fresh out of the box. And usually this takes a little bit longer than overnight, depending on what type of brush. Usually the eye brushes don't take as long. Okay, for my eye brushes, I have a couple of my face brushes, but for my eye brushes, I do the exact same thing. I'm just not as rough with them. Holy cow, look at that. This is the one that I felt really needed to be cleaned. So I use this for like everything. Okay, so for my brow brush, it's so tiny that I try to be really careful with this because I don't want to ruin the hairs and make them go all crazy. I want them to stay really thin and small and not wonky. So I usually go like back and forth from the sides and down, but it like builds up. So what I have to do is just like rub it in the brush, and then I'll dip it back in the water. And I usually have to do that a couple times because this gets packed with eyebrow product. I'm just rubbing it around in the hairs. Okay, and for the spoolie, I'll just kind of, I don't know, just I guess scratch it on the soap to get that off. So I totally forgot to close my video by saying thank you for watching. And so I'm in my living room and it does not have very good lighting. I'm sorry about that. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video of me showing you how I clean my makeup brushes. If you guys have any questions, just put it down below and just make a comment, let me know. Love you all, and I will see you later. Bye.